Hey guys, it's me Kabanay, and today's video is going to be a collaboration Valentine's Day, what we really want. We as in us females, or a gift idea for her or your wife or your girlfriend. If you're interested in this type of video, just keep on watching. This is a collaboration video done with a group of ladies. If you're interested in some other ideas, or you need more ideas other than the 10 that I am sharing, what you can do is click the description box down below or check the comments for the playlist, and you'll see a bunch of other ideas that you can choose from. So number one would be flowers. I love to receive flowers, so I'm always excited when I do get flowers. Although flowers die, there's different type of flowers that you can get. You can get the flowers that are preserved in a crystal glass, whether that be one flower or multiple, or you can get flowers that actually mean something. You can look up what flowers mean, or if your wife or girlfriend or significant other, what their favorite type of flower is. And then, like for me, if my husband gave me like 4 flowers, it would be fine, because he knows that my favorite number is 4, and he can say that I'm always thinking of you. And just receiving 4 flowers versus a bouquet of flowers would be more meaningful to me, because he actually remembered something about me that is important. Number 2 would be romantic bubble bath. So I love like having a moment in the bathroom to myself, whether that be like with candles all around the tub, and then to receive some unique bubble bath would be pretty awesome and spontaneous. And if you're, girls like that stuff. I know I do. I like receiving bubble bath and things to wash up with. It's exciting for us, or for me. Number 3 would be a hair iron. So if your girlfriend or wife is into straightening their hair, what you can do is get them a new iron. Check inside of Target or Walmart and see which kind is the best one to get. Let them know, like, I love when you straighten your hair, and I want you to have something new that's going to last you a longer time, and so that you think of me when you're doing your hair. If you say something sweet like that, your wife, girlfriend, or whoever you're buying it for will love you for it. Number 4 is dinner in a movie. I know it's been a while since I've been to a movie with my husband, and if he just got me dinner in a movie wrapped up in one of those cute boxes that are found at the dollar store, it would make it a little bit more special than to say, hey babe, we're going to dinner and then afterwards we can go to a movie. You know, if it's actually wrapped up into a gift that I can physically open, I think that would be a little bit more special. And you can put a special note inside the box, like, you know, roses are red, violets are blue, I love you so much, and I hope you do too, and will you go to this movie with me, circle yes or no, or something cheesy like that. You could think of your own thing to do, but that is an idea. Number 5 would definitely be a massage or spa day. Whether my husband goes with me or if I go by myself, either one is fine. If he got that for me, I would be like, oh my gosh, thank you, I need this. And especially because my husband has never gotten a massage with me, I think that would be a great experience. Number 6, talking about experiences. I think going somewhere with your significant other is a good idea, whether that be to the shooting range, if you're into that, or zip lining, or just, I don't know, skydiving. There's tons of things that you can research before Valentine's Day that you could do. I've never been ziplining, and if my husband wanted to take me, I would be like all for it. Like, really, this is what we're doing for Valentine's Day? Okay, let's go. Every time I think about that experience, I will just remember my husband. Okay, so I think this is number 7. So number 7 would be to go to dinner. And if you didn't put it in that box and you just go to dinner, and then if he went to the waiter beforehand and gave him my gift, whether that be a big gift or a small gift, just the fact that he went there beforehand, and then the waiter's like, here's your dessert, and then it's like a box that I have to open, and then everybody in the restaurant's looking, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, you did this, you know, that would be a great experience and an awesome gift, even if it's something small. The next one would be a personalized necklace from Etsy. See floating around, like, I like the ones where you can get your initial put on it. I think that's what, you know, that females like to switch out their necklaces. I mean, what I have on today, I'm not wearing any necklace because I don't have one to wear, but if I had one, I would definitely wear it. The next one would be to write a song. This is cheesy or not, but my he likes to sing, so he knows how to play the guitar, so him writing me a song would be a great Valentine's Day gift. And if he would let me record it, that would be great. And the last one would be a beautiful outfit. If he could just pick out an outfit for me, lay it out on the bed or have it hanging up when I come in the house, and he's just like, put this on, that's romantic and that's awesome, with the box of chocolates. And I don't know where we could go. Like, we could probably not go anywhere, just drive around in a car and just overlook the city. That is a great Valentine's Day gift. So I hope all of those were some great ideas for you, and let me know what you plan on doing for Valentine's Day in the comments, whether for yourself or for even him. I hope you found these tips helpful for Valentine's Day for her. And if you can just leave me a comment and thumbs up the video, let me know you liked it, that would be great. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out the other ladies in the playlist down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.